students, welcome to the Megha Goswami classes. In the last class we have studied about the volume of cone, and today we will find the relation between volume of cone and a sphere, and by this we will derive the formula of a sphere. Now let's see. There are two cones and one sphere. Okay, the height is h, base radius is r. This will be this height is also h and r, and this is sphere. Okay, the radius is r here and height is also h here. In sphere, all of you know that height means diameter of the sphere. Okay, height means diameter of the sphere. It means we can say h is equal d here, h is equal t. D means 2r, where r is the radius. Height is equal to 2r in a sphere. Okay, now we can say the capacity of these two cones is equal to the capacity of this sphere. So now all of you know that the capacity of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So write down here 1 upon 3 pi r square h, plus the capacity of this cone will be also 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay, where r and h are radius and height respectively, equal to volume of sphere. Okay, now see, 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1/3 plus 1/3 is equal to 2/3. So we can write here 2 upon 3 pi r square h is equal, let's suppose the volume of sphere means V. Okay, volume of sphere is V here. Now 2 upon 3 pi r square h, 2 upon 3 multiply pi multiply r square. If we talking about here h, okay, you can easily say, ma'am, in sphere height is equal to 2r. Okay, so we can put the value of h here 2r. 2r is equal volume. Clear is it? Now 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, then 4 upon 3 pi r cube. It is the formula of volume of sphere. Okay, what is this? Volume of sphere is equal 4 upon 3 pi r cube. अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ हेमीस्फीयर की, it means half of the sphere. Okay, it means half of the sphere. It means the half of the capacity of the sphere. So volume of hemisphere. Hemisphere, all of you know that. What is the shape of hemisphere? A. Okay. Then it will be half of volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then what? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, this is the formula of volume of hemisphere, and this is the formula of volume of sphere. Yes, I hope you understood this topic very well. So like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.